Moi and welcome to my Finnish lesson. Today we are going to learn question words missä, mihin, and mistä. Let's get started. All of these question words are used when asking about locations, but they each describe a different kind of location. First, missä is used to ask where someone or something is located. The ending SSA or A with umlaut in Finnish means in or inside a place. For example, missä te asutte? This means where do you live? Here we use missä because we are asking about the place where someone lives. The same rule appears in the answer. For example, if you want to say we live in Finland, you say me asumme Suomessa. Here, Suomi changes to Suomessa because you live in Finland. Next, mihin is used to ask about direction or where something is going. The ending hin indicates movement to a place. For example, mihin tämä bussi menee? This means where does this bus go? Here we use mihin because we are asking about the destination. When answering this question, you could say se menee keskustaan. This means it goes to the central. Keskusta means central and keskustaan means to the central. We will learn more about this form in another lesson. Finally, mistä is used to ask about origin or where something comes from. The ending sta or a with umlaut means from a place. We have already seen this in a common question. Mistä sinä olet kotoisin? This means where are you from? Here we use mistä because we are talking about where someone comes from. To answer, you could say, minä olen kotoisin Italiasta. I am from Italy. Here, Italia becomes Italiasta. Hyvä. Great job. Next time, we will learn more question words, including what, mikä, mitä, and how, miten, kuinka. Nähtään!